So we're looking at MDrumReplacer. Now I've had this for quite a while already, and it's actually becoming one of my favorite drum replacement tools. Before we dive into it, I got this session here. So let's go ahead and solo that kick. So that's the original sample. So what I ended up doing, duplicated the tracks. It's the same sample. It's a lot lower. And if we zoom in, check this out. Quantize the drums. Just wanted to make them a little tighter. Let's just loop a random section here. And let's go ahead and open MDrumReplacer without this plugin. And now I'm going to use my own sample. So let's go ahead and bring in the original sample. I want my sample to be underneath the original one. I'm not trying to replace the original sample. So I'm going to take this out. So make sure you use a really good pair of headphones or a set of monitors. So let's take a quick look at the plugin. We have here general section, mixer, and level. You can actually mix between the original sample and your sample. So why did I do it like this? I don't know, I'm just used to doing it this way, creating a new track, copying the original sample, and triggering off of that track. There's really no right way to do this stuff. It's just how I like to work. Then you have leveling. Then I have the capability of panning. Then you have pitch. So I can change the pitch of the actual sample. That's really useful. So let's bring that back. There you go. You have your mixer section here. Close, overheads, room 2, room 1. So at the drum editor tab, we have multi-samples, sampler, scratcher, subsampler synth, synthesizer, and effects. Now, one thing that's really impressive about this plugin, the massive library that you receive with this plugin. Come to menu and select download and install products. And you want to make sure you select this option here, only product for MDrummer. As you can see, let's take a look at some of these libraries. So you have the Essentials, 1.1 gigabytes. You have Studio, 2008, 2018, 19 gigabytes. The next one is 442 megabytes. And look at this one. I haven't downloaded this one yet. Almost 60 gigabytes of free sounds. So I'm using a solid state drive, so I'm unable to put all of this on my C drive. I'll fill up the drive really quick. So I have some externals, and that's what I did. Put everything in its proper directory, and it's good to go. So we also have detection, drum library, so you have all your samples here, and you have drum editor. So really powerful stuff. And it doesn't end there. We can click multi-parameters. Check this out. Let's bring that here. We have a lot of stuff here that we can mess with. So let's get rid of all of that. And you have your settings. So you can activate, deactivate your plugin. So I want to show you something that's pretty neat about this plugin. How many of you guys have noticed the last couple of months, plugin developers are giving you the capability of resizing your plugin? And I think that's pretty cool. But these guys took it to a whole different level. So that's the default theme style. Of course, they also have the capability of resizing the plugin, which is great. So I'm over at Melda Productions website. But of course, you don't have to purchase anything. Just download a demo. Give it a try. You might like it. If you want me to create a follow-up video, we could dive into some of these features. I would love to do that. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This is Ray, and I'm out of here. Later, guys.